What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be playing Bloxburg on Roblox. So right now I'm going to go ahead and go into Bloxburg. By the way, I'm doing a voiceover because when I made this video, the sound didn't work. So now I have to just honestly say whatever I gotta say for this video. So it's loading, and I have much Wi-Fi here, so I wish it wouldn't be this glitchy. So I'm gonna have to try and look for a different screen recording app or just anything that I can use for screen recording. By the way, I got a new computer, that's why maybe there's something different here. But this is just the front of the house. It's blue. By the way, yesterday I deleted this house, so that's why I'm making a house tour before I deleted it. And I made that part the day before yesterday. So that's just the front porch. I don't know much English, so I don't really know if it's actually called a front porch. But then I have some plants up there, just so I can earn some money once they're done growing, because then I sell them, obviously. So now, once you get inside the house, there's literally a straight up wall for the baby room. Let's not get into that too much, but that's the dining room. Once you turn that way, there's obviously the kitchen. So that part is the kitchen, and then the dining room. So yeah. Okay, so I have a little plant up on top of the fridge, and I didn't have enough space to put the dishwasher, so I had to put it on the opposite side of everything else. Oh, that was by accident. So now we're gonna walk to the living room. This house is very small, so that's why everything is kind of all squished up. And by the way, I don't know how to move correctly on my computer, so that's on Roblox, so that's why I'm moving a little weird. But that's the living room. I have a ladder right there, and I put some books. The TV is not supposed to be on. I really like how I made that couch. It was green before, though. So I'm opening up the baby room. Again, I'm sorry for the way I'm moving. I don't know how to move on my computer, so just don't mind that. Okay, so I was doing a role play, so that's why there's a sleeping bag on the floor. So that's honestly why. So this is the baby room. I didn't really do much to it. It's just some toys and the baby bed. Okay. Oh, I opened the door by accident. But anyways, I'm going to that room next after. It looks very shadowy, like it's real or something. Like the doors actually look really realistic. But this is the room. Again, I have a sleeping bag because I had to do a role play with 4 people, including me. So I just have a little couch there. Not couch, a desk. And a bunch of work on the table. This house was very hard to delete because there's a bunch of stuff, but it's so small at the same time. But I know there's an easy way to delete it, but I figured that out after deleting it. But that was the laundry place. Not much there. Now we're going into the bathroom. I'm getting stinky, but Either way, after this video, I showered. So I don't know why, but that part, that brown part keeps getting added. I don't know how it adds itself like that. Literally the day before I posted, the day before I did this house tour, I literally deleted it and it came back. But I had to make it like that, like make it a deep end like that because I didn't have enough space to put the bath for the babies. But just don't mind that either. And by the way, that plant was not that color. Obviously, Bloxburg doesn't have plants that look like that. So I'm gonna close the door now. So, by the way, I made that the day before I posted that video. Well, not post. I made the house tour again. And that's where the deep end is for the bathroom. That's why it looks so weird. So, once you're in the room too, there's a pool view. So, yeah, there's just a pool there. Honestly, nothing much in the backyard. Okay, so that was it for this house tour. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't and you like my posts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video and I'll try to post more. Alright, awkward silence now.